Mark Wahlberg loves to wink. Nobody suspects the two guys who are the last to leave the diner long after everyone else leaves of causing the diner's mysterious burning. How come nobody recognizes these guys as DAA agents or Navy SEALs? Mark Wahlberg loves barbecue chicken. James Marsden is back, although he doesn't get much depth here. 5 things I learned include how Denzel and Mark steal 5 different kinds of vehicles. So Stan Smith isn't the only CIA agent that causes brutal violence. Bill Paxton still exists! There's no way Denzel Washington could have survived that major kitchen explosion he caused. The amount of corrupt officials in this movie makes all those corrupt cops and city officials in The Dark Knight look clean by comparison. It is possible now to carry around $43 million in cash. Mark Wahlberg, for some reason, has a buddy who's missing a hand. The title of this movie has no clear meaning. Mark Wahlberg never misses, unless he's starring in The Happening. This is now one of the more popular pop culture uses of Russian roulette, along with the Lady Gaga song Paparazzi, and that Looney Tunes cartoon where Yosemite Sam and Bugs Bunny are running for mayor. A walk across the border winds up being more melodramatic than emotionally affecting. Denzel and Mark go through 6 different breakfast items before they finally tell that poor waitress what they actually want. Denzel doesn't like pancakes. Mark Wahlberg and Denzel Washington must be Sister Sledge, because by the end of this, they've decided that they are family. Nobody in that neighborhood reports that there was this major automobile accident where cars are crashing into other cars, and then a rich tycoon of a person in the neighborhood was kidnapped and thrown in another guy's truck. This movie has the most over-convoluted bank robbery in cinema history. Forget about the simplicity of The Place Beyond the Pines, Big Fish, or The Dark Knight. For that robbery, Mark seems to have taken one of the Joker masks with him. Nobody cares if you crash through a military base as long as you're Mark Wahlberg. If someone else had walked into that hotel room and looked under the bed, they'd be uber rich right now. This movie is almost obsessed with fat jokes. It's based on a comic. Mark Wahlberg has a fantastic ability to deliver one-liner. Amazingly, despite a poor script, Mark Wahlberg and Denzel Washington wind up having good chemistry.